Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of MCT oil, a powerful supplement gaining popularity for its numerous benefits. In this video, we will explain what MCT oil is, its potential health advantages, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. So let's get started. What is MCT oil? MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides, a type of fatty acid found in coconut oil, palm kernel oil, and dairy products. MCT oil is a concentrated form of these beneficial fats, typically extracted from coconut oil. Unlike long-chain fatty acids, MCTs are rapidly absorbed by the body and quickly converted into energy. Health benefits of MCT oil. Here are some potential health benefits associated with MCT oil. Weight management. MCT oil has been studied for its potential to aid in weight loss and weight management. It may increase feelings of fullness, potentially leading to reduced calorie intake. MCT oil has also been shown to increase energy expenditure and fat burning, which may contribute to weight loss. Increased energy. MCT oil is rapidly absorbed and converted into energy by the liver. This quick metabolism makes it a readily available source of fuel for the body, providing an immediate energy boost. Improved cognitive function. Some research suggests that MCT oil may have cognitive benefits. The brain can readily utilize ketones, which are produced when MCTs are metabolized. Ketones may serve as an alternative energy source for the brain and have been associated with improved cognitive function in certain conditions like Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy. Enhanced exercise performance. Due to its quick conversion to energy, MCT oil may benefit athletes and individuals engaging in intense exercise. It can provide a readily available source of fuel, potentially enhancing endurance and reducing fatigue during physical activity. Ketogenic diet support. MCT oil is often included in ketogenic diets, which are high in fat, low in carbohydrates, and designed to induce ketosis, a metabolic state where the body primarily burns fat for fuel. MCT oil can help increase ketone levels and aid in maintaining ketosis. Digestive health. MCT oil has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, particularly against harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi in the gut. It may help support a healthy balance of gut flora and contribute to improved digestion and gastrointestinal health. How to use MCT oil? Here is how you can use MCT oil. Add it to beverages. MCT oil can be easily incorporated into your daily routine by adding it to your beverages. It blends well with hot or cold drinks like coffee, tea, smoothies, or protein shakes. Start by adding a teaspoon to your beverage and adjust the amount based on your preference. Use it in salad dressings. Another way to use MCT oil is by incorporating it into homemade salad dressings. Mix it with vinegar or lemon juice, your choice of herbs and spices, and a source of healthy fat like olive oil. The MCT oil will add a creamy texture to the dressing. Include it in recipes. MCT oil can be used in various recipes as a substitute for other oils or fats. It can be used for sauteing vegetables, baking, or making homemade energy bars. When substituting other fats, start by using 3/4 the amount of MCT oil and adjust based on taste and texture. Use it as a supplement. Some people choose to take MCT oil directly as a supplement. In this case, you can take a tablespoon of MCT oil orally or mix it with a small amount of food. Keep in mind that MCT oil is calorie-dense, so be mindful of your overall caloric intake if you're using it as a supplement. And there you have it. MCT oil is a powerful supplement that can benefit your overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to support weight management, enhance cognitive function, improve athletic performance, or promote gut health, MCT oil may be worth considering. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.